If you're looking to buy an A-frame, the truth is, more often than not, you don't buy a prefabricated A-frame, you actually build it right on your property. And in this video, I'm gonna break down how that takes place. While you can purchase A-frame prefabricated kits, which you can assemble on site, it's most common that people build out their A-frame units directly on their property. Now, we do offer small prefabricated, completed tiny home cabins that are A-frames. You can check those out below, but more often than not, you're gonna be getting your property and building it from scratch. So when you're looking to get started on your A-frame build, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is reach out to your local zoning and building department. They're gonna be able to help you understand what you can truly do on your property in terms of what size of unit that you can use, as well as what is their building code process that you'll have to go through in order to have your structure be permitted. Now, once you've gotten approval from your local building department, your first true step in terms of getting your hands dirty is gonna be your foundation work, which includes grading your property where you're gonna be putting and building your A-frame, as well as doing your foundation. Now, in some areas, you might be able to get away with something as simple as a compacted gravel pad. In other circumstances, you're gonna need to do something that has cement piers, and I wanna show you in this unit that we're doing, this is an example of one of our modular units, and this base right here, it's a 10 by 12 base. We actually made this out of steel. So it's 2 by 8 C-channel running all the way around the exterior, as well as the cross members running through underneath. It's also been spray foamed, so we've insulated it really well. It's got about 3 inches of closed cell insulation. And then now we're in the stage of framing it up. So you can see here we got all of our uprights. These are cut at angles in order to give it that unique shape. So everything's cut at about 26 degrees, and then they meet at the top. So this is the flooring that we're using right here. It's actually a waterproof product. Now you can just use a standard 3/4 inch plywood, or if you're in an area that gets a lot of moisture, we'd recommend doing a marine grade plywood. But this is your subfloor. This is what's gonna go on top of that steel base that we made, or if you're making one out of wood, it'll go right on top of your wood base. Now this is where your laminate flooring is ultimately gonna be installed on, so you want this to be a thicker product as you need it to be durable. So after the framing is up, the next step is we're getting the sheeting up. So all of that's going on the exterior. I'm gonna show you another unit we're working on. So this other unit that we're working on it's part of an order of 5 units in total. This one's a little farther along, and we have all the sheathing done for the exterior of this unit. So this is what really gives a rigid feel to all of the uprights. We haven't framed in the end walls yet, and you can see here, all the sheathing has been installed. After this, we're gonna put a waterproof membrane over the top, and then the metal siding on top of that. As some of you know, we come from the shipping container world where everything is already done. The containers are already there, we're just building out the insides. With A-frames, it is very different. Either you're gonna be building it on your site, or you're gonna pay someone else to provide you a kit or pre-build it for you. I hope that sheds some light on where A-frames come from. And if you are looking to do an A-frame on your property, we put together a free A-Frame Jumpstart guide. In that guide, it does include some different plan examples. It includes a budgeting framework to help you as you're trying to figure out what your cost is gonna be. And then it also provides you a guide step by step to help get that ball rolling so you know exactly how you can start your build. We'd love to hear from you. Please comment below and let us know what you enjoyed about this video and what you would like us to cover in future videos. And I'll see you on the next one.